Welcome to digital class. Class 8 class English medium, subject social, lesson number 7, money and banking. Money and banking. Part 1, trading with money. Trading with money. Trading అంటే మనం వ్యాపారం చేయడం. Trading with money. మనీతో మనం వ్యాపారం చేయడం అనేది చూడండి. Mohan has come with Ragi to Shamla to buy mangoes. మ్యాంగోస్ కొనుక్కోవడానికి రాగి తీసుకొని మోహన్ వచ్చాడు. శ్యామలా మేడ్ 2 ఈక్వల్ హీప్స్ ఆఫ్ రాగిని 2 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ చేసింది. శ్యామలా మేడ్ షీ గేవ్ మోహన్ ఎ ఫ్యూ మ్యాంగోస్ దట్ టుగెదర్ వెయిటెడ్ యాజ్ సచ్ యాజ్ 1 ragi heap. He made 2 halves and put the ragi one side and mangoes one side. Mohan took the mangoes home and Shamala kept both the heaps of the ragi. He kept 2 bags of ragi and Mohan went off and she is keeping the bags with her. The rate at which the mangoes was exchanged is half as much as the grain. Half of the bag is much than with the grain. There can be other rates too, such as equal to the grain. Equal గా కూడా వాళ్ళు షేర్ చేసుకొని అమ్మడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. In some villages of Srikakulam district, children exchange toys made from bamboo in exchange for rice. Rice ki they are exchanging rice with the toys made by bamboos. This system of exchanging goods directly against each other with the use of money is called a barter system. This and the exchange of things with money is called barter system. Okay. The blacksmiths used to mend the blades of plows or wheels of the bullock carts not for cash but for exchange fixed amount of grain after every harvest. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే దే ఆర్ కీపింగ్ ద నాట్ సెల్లింగ్ ద థింగ్స్ విత్ మనీ, దే ఆర్ సెల్లింగ్ థింగ్స్ విత్ grains. There is a traditional rate of how much should be given for each plough or cart owned by the farmer. People know that the tradition will be continued and the blacksmith does whatever is accepted of him without asking for each penny. వాళ్ళు వెంటనే అడగరు. Yearly once they are taking the grains what they are harvesting. Let us take another example. Ramaya has some rice but he wants potatoes. He had rice with him, Ramaya, and he wants potatoes. So he goes to Viraya who grows potatoes. ఎవరైతే పొటాటోస్ గ్రో చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి రామయ్య అడుగుతాడు. And he is willing to exchange potatoes for rice. For rice he want to potatoes. So the two exchange their goods and both are satisfied. They are exchanging their goods. Ramaya given rice to him and he gave the potatoes to him. Both are satisfied. This is called a barter system. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే exchange of things with others, with another things. This is called a barter system. In barter system, goods are directly exchanged for each other without the use of money. Without the use of money, they are exchanging their goods with each other. In other example, Goa has a goat and he wants to exchange for rice. He had a goat. He wants to exchange with the rice. He goes to Srinu. Srinu wants a goat, but he has jawar and not rice. He had no rice. He had some jawar. But Ramu does not want to exchange his rice for the goat. He wants to buy jawar. Exchange with money. Exchange with money. Then exchange with goods. Exchange with things. That is called barter system. Here, exchange with money. If you use money, there will be no problem in exchanging commodities. It is then not necessary that a person who has something in excess finds another person who needs it and has something what he wants. Money acts as an intermediary for in this step something that is held for some time because it can be used further. He saw these situations in the above examples. It is able to do that because it is acceptable to all those who wish to sell will accept this as payment, and similarly those who wish to buy will only have to offer money in exchange. Any commodity or service can be exchanged for money. The money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. Money by itself may have no use. It is wanted because of the role it plays in exchange. One can also borrow and pay back in the form of money. They are giving the money for the things. In the barter system has another problem. Gopal, how many bags rice will you give for this goat? Sitaya, 2 bags. Gopal, I was offered 4 bags for it and nearby village. Sitaya, and I cannot get a goat for just 1 bag in another village. This is the way they are borrowing to each other. Gopal wants 6 bags of rice for his goat. At what rate should they be exchanged? In other words, what is the value of the goat in terms of rice? Under the barter system, to make exchange possible, it was necessary to determine the values of commodity in terms of another. If one has to do this for many conditions, this is quite cumbersome and does not facilitate exchange or trading. It is not convenient. Other ways of exchange evolved that he will read later. However, in some situations, this is still found useful, especially in the rural areas. In the rural areas, చాలా మటుకు మనకి ఎలా జరుగుతుంది ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ మన బార్టర్ సిస్టమ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అవుతున్నది. In our areas, we are giving money and we are purchasing with money. Anything we want, we are purchasing with this money. Gopal has a goat, want to buy a matchbox. It is a fair exchange for him. Gopal కేమో ఒక ఏముంది గోట్ దాన్ని ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసి మ్యాచ్ బాక్స్ కొనుక్కోవడం. Is it a fair exchange for him? He cannot give a part of the goat for matchbox because the goat is not visible. But with money, we can buy small items also. Money is divisible. There are rupees and pies. You can see that commodities like vegetables should be exchanged immediately because they are perishable. This problem is removed when commodities are sold for money. Money is durable and it can be kept for future use. Also, holding of commodities like sheep, goats or bags of rice require a lot of space, and you need carts and trucks to carry your goods for exchange to the market. మనం కానీ ఎన్ని రకాలు తీసుకెళ్ళి మన ఇంట్లో మనకు దొరికినవి అన్నీ తీసుకునేవి ఏమన్నా కొనుక్కోవాలి అంటే పెద్ద ట్రాన్స్పోర్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్ కావాలి, కంపల్సరీగా ఏదో కావాలి. అవన్నీ తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ కొనుక్కొని మళ్ళీ అవన్నీ తీసుకొని రావాలంటే చాలా కష్టం. అందుకని చెప్పేసి మనీ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. However, money does not require much space to keep. It can be carried out about anywhere in any bag or purse. It is portable. సరే, మనీ అన్నది మనకి పోర్టబుల్గా ఎక్కడికి వరకు అక్కడికి మనం తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి అవుతుంది. కానీ థింగ్స్ మనకున్న థింగ్స్ మనం వేరే దగ్గర తీసుకెళ్ళి సేవ్ చేయడం అనేది అది కుదరని పని. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ ద లెసన్ ఎవల్యూషన్ అండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ మనీ. I'll give assignment for you. What is barter system? Second one, how the people in olden days purchase they use. Okay, these two questions have to